Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I know this has been a very prolonged video for me to make, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to install jailbreak tweaks on iOS 11 to 11.1.2. So with that being said, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so first off, guys, before I go ahead and get into this video, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know if we smash 10 likes on this video, I'll go ahead and make a tutorial on how to do this with themes so you guys can theme your guys' iDevice as well running iOS 11. Alright, so first off, guys, there are some prerequisite stuff that you guys will need to download before you guys go ahead and install tweaks. So since this jailbreak does not support Cydia as well as Cydia Substrate, then we're going to have to use some tweaks that actually work and is compatible. But the first things that we need to install is, first off, we are going to want to head over to the ELECTRA website, and you guys will need to download the IPA on here. This is made by Coolstar, and I do recommend you guys using this method, which is a lot better and easier than the Libre iOS jailbreak. Now, once you guys have this IPA, you guys want to go ahead and sideload it onto your guys' iDevice. Now, in my last videos that I've showed you guys in my giveaway, for example, I've shown you guys how to use AppDB. This is exactly what I am using. This is completely optional for you guys, but this is just so I don't have to sideload the IPA on my iDevice within 7 days. But anyways, guys, if you guys use AppDB, you guys will not need to sign these IPAs onto your iDevice within the 7-day period. But anyways, if you guys download the IPA just as a normal user without that account that I've showed you, you guys will need to download the ELECTRA IPA as well as the files escaped IPA. As you guys can see on my screen right here, this files escaped, which is a modified version of Filesa. Now, the third application that you guys will want to install is to download a Zip App Free, which is on the App Store. I'll go ahead and link it inside of the description as always. Now, once you guys have these three things done, you guys will want to go ahead and find a deb on Safari. Now, let's go ahead and get right into the process. So first off, guys, I am on an iPhone 10 running iOS 11.1.2. So the first thing you guys will want to do is you want to jailbreak your guys' iDevice. So with ELECTRA installed and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and press jailbreak, and we're going to go ahead and wait for the process to load up. So my device is respringing right now. And then let me go ahead and swipe up, and now here comes the fun and complicated part. So once you guys have that, you guys will want to go ahead and head over to the deb file link that you guys will be downloading inside of Safari itself. Or if you guys want to find a deb and insert it into your guys' iDevice, it's a much complicated process, but if you guys can do that, then I recommend you guys doing that as well. But if you guys find a deb online that you guys want to install, just go ahead and continue with this process. So once you guys download the deb, so for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the tweak called Blurry Badges, which is compatible with the iPhone 10 on iOS 11.1.2. So I went ahead and downloaded it. Now, as you guys can see where it says more, you want to go ahead and click on there, and then you guys will get this little information pop-up window, and just slide over, and then you guys will find a link that says copy to Zip App Free. Go ahead and click on that so it opens up inside of that application that I told you to download. Now it's going to tell you guys what you like to decompress. You want to go ahead and press yes. You guys will see a data.tar.lzma. You guys want to go ahead and click on that, and you guys want to click on yes. And then you guys will get this data folder. Click on that, click on library, and then you guys will see mobile substrate. Click on that, and then click on dynamic libraries again, and you guys will see the plist and the dlib file right there. So once you guys are right here, you guys want to go ahead and open up the files that escaped, and we are going to be moving those two files to a directory. So once you guys have files that escape, you want to click on the star in the bottom in the middle. You want to click on there. You want to click on Apps Manager, which is on the very bottom. And you guys will see this activate screen. Just go ahead and wait for it and dismiss, and it'll dismiss. Then you want to scroll down until you find that app. So let me go ahead and find it. Zip App Free right here. Click on it, and then click on Documents, Imported Files, and then you guys will see the Blurry Badges folder that you guys extracted. So you want to click on the folder, then click on Data, then click on Library again, then Mobile Substrate, Dynamic Libraries, and then you guys will see those two files that I showed you guys last. So from here, you want to click on Edit, and then you want to select the two files, and on the bottom left-hand corner where it says Copy, go ahead and copy those two files. Now from here, this is the most complicated part, but I'm going to go be showing you guys how to speed up the process for future references. So just keep on hitting the back button until you get to the / onto your guys' iDevice. Now from here, you guys want to go ahead and see Bootstrap. You want to click on the Bootstrap folder, open that up, and then you guys want to click on library, and then you guys will see SB inject right here. And if you guys want for future references to copy and paste faster, go ahead and click on the star, and then you guys want to add this to your bookmarks, so just press the plus and then name it whatever you want. I went ahead and done this already, and I named it as tweak installing. So once you guys are in here, you guys will see that there is the Anemone application already pre-installed on your guys' iDevice. Now from here, you guys want to just click on the bottom left hand corner where there is a clipboard, click paste, and then the two files will go ahead and copy to SB inject. Now, I forgot to let you guys know that once you guys jailbreak with ELECTRA, the Anemone application will go ahead and appear. So with this application, you guys can go ahead and just respring a lot faster. So what I'm going to be doing is clicking on it right now and then showing you guys. So basically, when those two files are copied over, it's basically quote quote installed on your iDevice. Now from here, you guys want to go ahead and click on preview just to respring and then press apply. If you guys are on any other iDevice, it will show a little glitch. So for example, it's showing me a 4S when I'm obviously on an iPhone 10. Doesn't matter, just go ahead and click on apply, then wait for it to respring, and then go ahead and unlock your guys' device, and then the tweak should be working. Now let me go ahead and go over, and as you guys can see that the badges on my applications are in fact themed into a different color. Now this is just an example of a dev that I found that was working for my iDevice. If you guys want, you guys can go ahead and click on the link inside of the description, and you guys will see this ELECTRA tweak compatibility list that it shows a lot of tweaks that other people have used and submitted on this tweak compatibility list, and it will say if it's stable and if it works or if it doesn't work or if there are issues. So if you guys want, you guys can go ahead and click on this compatibility list down below inside of the description, and then you guys can check if the tweak that you want to install will work or not. Now, like I said in the beginning, not all tweaks will in fact work through this process, and I'm going to go ahead and make another video on how to install themes in the future. So if you guys like this quick tutorial on how to install tweaks and debs on your guys' iDevice running iOS 11, go ahead and leave a like down below. Also subscribe to get videos just like this in the future, as well as a lot more videos in regards to iOS 11. Don't forget to also scan this snap code or add me on Snapchat as well, and don't forget to also follow me on my Twitter page and my Facebook page to be informed on anything jailbreak related and to stay up to date on what's been going on inside of the jailbreak world. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. This is EliteAppleHacks signing out.